Welcome to Mastering the Glow, a guide to indoor lighting photography. I am excited to share essential techniques for capturing stunning images using the light around you. Indoor photography changes the rules. Unlike the multi-dimensional light outdoors, indoor light is scarce. Photography is writing with light. Understanding how to manipulate limited sources elevates your work from amateur to professional. The built-in flash destroys dimension. It creates a flat effect, washes out highlights, and can result in red eye and color clashes. This small, harsh light source is rarely the best choice for quality indoor shots. Let's explore the physics of soft light. The rule of relative size states that the larger the light source is relative to the subject, the softer the light becomes. A window acts as a giant diffuser, minimizing harsh highlights. When analyzing light quality, compare the built-in flash to window light. Window light is large, diffused, creates gentle shadow transitions, and has a natural color temperature, resulting in a professional look. Positioning the subject for impact involves three main setups. Front lighting provides even illumination. Side lighting creates dramatic contrast and reveals depth. Backlighting produces a rim light or halo effect. Shadows define shape and volume. Overhead light often casts unflattering raccoon eyeshadows. Directional light creates gradients and defines contours, making the subject look more three-dimensional. Control color with white balance. The human brain auto-corrects color, but cameras do not. Different light sources like tungsten, fluorescent, and daylight require manual white balance adjustments for accurate color rendering. Fill shadows with reflectors. If side window light leaves one side of the subject too dark, use a white foam board or paper to bounce the light back. This reduces contrast and creates a balanced, professional look. You can modify everyday artificial light. Use a flexible desk lamp as a lamp softbox by bouncing it off a white wall. Also, incorporate practical lights like monitors or bedside lamps to establish environment and story. To combat motion blur in low light, you must maintain stability. Use a tripod, increase your ISO, or brace yourself against a solid surface. A sharp, grainy photo is always better than a clean, blurry one. The indoor lighting workflow involves 4 steps. Locate the largest source, position the subject and check color, modify contrast with reflectors, and finally, stabilize the camera and shoot. To embolden your vision, seek the window, turn off the flash, adjust your white balance, steady your hand, and embrace the dark. Shadows are not enemies. They are the canvas upon which your light performs.